creating shapes with angles in ShapeMaster. So the first thing I'm going to do is just use a rectangle multi for this example. I'm going to put down 5 sections of this, and all I want to do is go into this area, and if you notice, not on the first one, if you go to the second one, you've got this angle you want to, and this is the join angle. So where does this part join to the next part, to its previous part? So if I go to 72 on that one, and then 72 on this one, 72 on this one, and 72 on this one. So this is fairly straightforward. If I now go to 3D and go to textured, and let's fold this up, and you'll see as I fold it up, it's now going to go into a pentagon. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's the first one, F12. So I've just added that to my list. The next one, I'll start with the same part again. This time I'm going to have 4 sections in it. And all I'm going to do here, to make it easier, I'm just going to go a standard size. Let's go 400 by 400. We're also going to turn on all the top sections here. Now what I'm going to do in this time, I'm going to go to here. And what I want to do here is I'm going to go at 30 degrees. And I'm going to go full height, 200, 200, and full height again. I'm going to do that for each of those top ones, make a what looks like a crown. Whoops, I missed to do that 30 degrees. So you've got your controlling it. This is, again, this is the angle it is at its connection point. So this is the connection point across there. So again, we're going to do this for each one of these, full height, 200. So I'm just going in half. That makes it easier, just making a point. So the point I'm trying to make is a point. And last one, so full height, 200, 200, and full height. And again, 30 degrees. So now when I go to 3D, textured, and you can see it looks like a crown. So as I fold it up, you see it all goes together and goes to a point. Look at that. So that's what that one looks like. So you've got control over, and you can see it in wireframe as well. So you've got control over the angles the flaps fold at and the top sections and as they go around. So it makes it easier to control the shape you really want to design. Thank you.